Hello everyone, welcome to channel IGCSE and GCSE Maths School. Today too, we are going to discuss some questions of the paper 1H Mathematics of Edexcel IGCSE January 2023. Right now we have discussed up to question 7. Now we are going to start our discussion today from question 8. Now there is a semicircle given. Question 8 says the diagram shows the triangle ABC inside the semicircle. Then this is the diagram. Then they say find the perimeter of the semicircle. Now they say this AB is the diameter. This one is AB is the diameter. Then diameter is that. Then we want to find the perimeter of the semicircle. Perimeter of the semicircle means this length. This length. A, C, B, AB length. Then we have to calculate the length of this curve semicircle and this length of this radius and add them together. So perimeter of semicircle equals that this is the arc length plus AB diameter. AB, right? We will find arc length. Arc length is half a circle. Perimeter of a circle. Perimeter of a circle. Total circle is how much? It is pi d. Where pi is pi certain value 3.1242 and many other what you call decimal places. Then pi and d is the diameter. Then we have to find this diameter AB. To find the diameter AB, they have given some information here, right? There, what is that? 18. These are right angle triangle. Then we have to apply. There's no any other method. They have to apply trigonometry to find AB. Then AB is the hypotenuse because that is the side the opposite this right angle ACB, the hypotenuse. Then compared to this angle, with respect to this angle, the adjacent side. Then we have to choose the trigonometric ratio involving adjacent side and a hypotenuse to find this. Then that will be cos. You can apply socket over, right? Cos. Socket over. Okay, cos. Then cos adjacent side over hypotenuse. Right? Then we write for that one cos. We will first find the length of AB. Cos 50 equals adjacent side is 18 over. We write cos theta equals adjacent side over hypotenuse. This is the right. Okay. Then cos therefore here 50 equals cos 50 equals adjacent side is how much? 18 divided by hypotenuse is not known. We have to find it. All right. Then take this to this side, take that to that side. Then it will be hype here. Hypotenuse here. This goes down. Then 18 divided by cos 50. Cos 50. Then this is the diameter. Hypotenuse is the diameter. Then diameter will be equal to 18 over cos 50. I take it as it is right now. Here we can find a pi into diameter. 18 diameter is this hypotenuse ABL. This ABL. Then find this. Then how much? Then this equals how much? Pi into 18 over cos 50. That is the perimeter of the circle. Then to find the perimeter of the semicircle, perimeter of semicircle. Sorry, perimeter of this arc. Perimeter of arc. Arc RKCB. Okay, RKCB. That means this half a circle. This length, this curved length. That is half a circle. This is the full circle. Then half a circle means that you can write it as into 18 over cos 50 into half. Okay. Then you can calculate this if you want. 2 times this 9. Then pi into 9 over cos 50. Cos 50. That will be this length. Tell me this length. Arc length. Arc length, therefore, you write now here 9 pi over cos 50. Then in plus AB. AB is that part. AB is this length. That is the hypotenuse of this. We can write here AB. AB length equals 18 over cos 50. Right now, AB length is cos 50. What is that? 18 over cos 50. Okay. 18 over cos 50. Therefore, we can take this to a common denominator, that is cos 50 over 9 pi plus 80. Right. Then we calculate this. We will get the answer. They asked us to give the answer to correct 2 significant figures, right? Okay. Right. Okay, now 9 pi that is 9 into pi plus 50. Sorry. 9 pi plus 18 divided by cos 50. You get 71.99. You asked to give the answer correct 2 significant figures. This is the second significant figure. Then digit in the lower place value is this one. First decimal place, add on to this one. Then it will be greater than 572. Okay. That is the answer. Right. Okay, now we are going to 9th one. Write 6.25 into 10 to the power minus 5 as the ordinary number, right? Question 9. Question 9. They ask 6.25 into 6.25 into 10 to the power minus 4 as an ordinary number. As an ordinary number, right? As an ordinary number, how do you write this in standard form? Then when it is 10 to the power minus 4, this decimal point is moves this way by 4 digits. Then if you move the decimal point by 4 digits, leftward 1, 2, 3, 4. That means you have to put 3 zeros before that 6 like this. 6, 2, 5. This is the answer. Okay. I move this decimal point leftward by 4 because it is minus 4. Right. Then they ask, that is question A. That is part A. Then part B they ask, what? Part B they ask 2.4 into 10 to the power 12. 2.4 into 10 to the power 12. Then that is divided by then divided by 9.6 into 9.6 into 10 to the power 4, right? Okay. We have to divide these two standard forms. How did you first of all write the division? Then I will write here. Then I can write this as 2.4 into 10 to the power 12 divided by 9.6 into 10 to the power 4, right? Now, this to calculate 2.1, how many 2.4 to 9.6? You divide then 9.6 by 2.4, it is how much? That is 4. You get 4 here. Here it is 1. Okay, there are 4 2.4 for 9.6. Then here this 10 to the power 12 divided by 10 to the power 4, you can divide this powers, these two, 10 to the power 12 and 10 to the power 4, by using rules of dividing indices. You know rule of dividing indices. When you divide two indices of the same base, you deduct the powers. You deduct the powers of the denominator from the powers of the numerator only. Powers of the denominator here 4. Power of the numerator is 12. Then 4 minus 4. 12 minus 4. 12 minus 4 will be how much? Here it is 1. Bottom it is 4. Then here you get 12 minus 4 is 8. 10 to the power 8. 10 to the power 8. Now 10 to the power 8 into 1. Then what you do? You can divide this 1 by 4, that is 0.25 into 10 to the power 8. Then here you can write this. This is not a standard form. You take one decimal, you convert one decimal place into whole number. Then what happens? This will reduce by 1, right? Okay. You write this 0.25. 2.5 into 10 to the power 7. This is the answer. Okay. 2.5 into 10 to the power 7. Right. Right. Okay. Next question. Factorize y squared minus 2y minus 48. Right, okay. Now next one. Next one they ask factorize y squared. Factorize, and that is question. Okay. Factorize. They say y squared minus 2y. Minus 48. Right, okay. Minus 48. You have to factorize this. This A, yeah, part A. Right, okay. Factorize. How do you factorize this? Here there's coefficient where y squared is positive 1. Therefore, no problem. Therefore, straight away we can factorize. Break this minus 48 into two factors where the sum of the two factors equals minus 2. Break the minus 248 into, break the minus 48 into two factors, sum of which is equal to minus 2. What is that? You can write minus 48 equals 8 into 6. Then as the for getting minus 48, you have to make one number negative. If you put 6 negative, then 8, sum of these 8 minus 6 plus 2. Therefore, that's a middle term coefficient is not plus 2, but for the middle coefficient to be negative 2, you have to make the large number negative. Now it's okay. Minus 8 times 6 is plus 4 minus 48, and minus 48 plus 6 are minus 2. That is equal to the coefficient. Therefore, straight away you can write the two factors like this by looking at this. Y minus 8 and y plus 6. Okay, that's right. Straight away. Because here the coefficient, you first check whether the coefficient, the square term is positive 1. If the coefficient of square term is positive 1, you can straight away find the factors like this. If it is some number or negative 1 order, you can't apply it, then you have to do it in a different way, right? Okay. Write down inequality, then B they say, write down inequality, there's a number line like this. Here you get 3, here you get 0, then minus 2, minus, like that you get the numbers, right? Okay. Then they have given the inequality mark like this. On this one, they have put a circle like it has been shaded and drawn an arrow like this, right? Now this one, then x, we can write this x value here. Then we can write this as here. When the here the circle just above the number is shaded, then that number is also included. That means equal also. Then from this side, that is less than 3. All these less than 3 this side. In number line, when you go from right to left, value decrease. If you go from 3 leftward, value decrease. All values are less than 3. So therefore, we can write that because of the shaded region it includes 3. So therefore, we can write x less than or equals 3. That is the answer. Extra. Solve the inequality. Right. This is the B. Then C is 1. Solve the inequality. The inequality has been going to be solved. Then S 7W. Then plus 6 greater than 12W. Then plus 14. Okay. 12W plus 14. Is 12W plus 14. Right. So now solving inequalities like this, quite like solving equations, simple equations. There's only single variable. Then bring this 7W to this side so that we can get positive W value, positive W term. Then bring this 40 to this side. Then 6 minus 14, when this plus 14 is brought to this side, become minus 14. Then when the 7W is taken to that side, it will become negative 7W. Then 12W minus 7W. So this side, then 6 minus 14, say minus 8. Then greater than 12W minus W, 7W, 12 minus 7 means 5. 5W. Then to find the value of W, divide by 5, both sides. Then this will be how much? For my negative 1.36. 6 rather than W. This is the answer. Otherwise, you can write this W less than, W less than minus 1.6. Okay, same. Okay, right. Right, that is also over. Then the next question. Next one is question 11. Question 11. Okay. Right now, I think this video is going to be too long, so therefore I finish this video, and in the next video I will discuss from question 11 onwards on the same paper. Then until we meet in the next video, I wish you a nice time and goodbye to you. Thank you.